What's up, goodies? Welcome back to your girl channel and to my kitchen, how to cook. And today your girl is here with another mukbang.
Look what prayer can do. Hypocrite and bad mind must slow. The same out what cheer for you, and the same one them would turn round and boo. Yeah, prayer me I use and win. Prayer me I use and win.
I haven't done one in a minute or two or maybe three. And I figured, hey, why not just come and sit with my goodie and just not gonna watch me eat my dinner, right? So, before we get into what's on the plate, let's talk about, make sure you subscribe to the channel. If you have not subscribed, go ahead and join the family. We are one big happy family here. So let's go ahead and subscribe, all right? And turn the post notification on so that you will always know when we upload a brand new video, y'all. Okay, so don't worry, what's on the plate, I made the recipe and you will be seeing how your girl do it. Anywho, this is a vegan curry goat with okra, carrots, holy onions, and all them goodness there, right? Of course, the girl have to drop in the fufu because I love fufu. I didn't do this on camera though. I did have a recipe, so I will definitely list the link. I will put the link down in the description so you see how I make the fufu from scratch my way. All right, so that's what's on the plate, y'all. And honey, look at that, y'all. That is looking so good. What I'm having to drink is a ginger ale because the girl have to belch, right? A glass with some ice. Don't ask me why I wear white to eat curry. Don't blame me, blame the mind. But anyhow, let's get right into the mukbang. I'm not come to talk too much, but come to nyam this good food there. So I'm gonna get with soda popping. Ginger ale, I love ginger ale. For those of you who know me in real life, but I don't know, so ginger ale is a girl best friend. Oh, so good. I don't wish my luck. Wish me luck, y'all. Wish me luck. You're not gonna talk too much. Not today. So good. Seasoned perfect. Not spicy. Just right. You can taste the parsley in it. So good. The okra is just perfect. I didn't overpower the okra. Just enough. It's so delicious. The fufu, I made it with plantains and cassava. So divine. I'm gonna come to talk to them. Come to eat. In Jamaica, we say we come to Nyam. Come to Nyam. So good. It's so good. I'm not going to eat that alright, but I eat that most. I know when I do my mukbang, not want to come to me. But you're not wasting my time today. Waste my time. So yum. The vegan meat. Look at that. Oh, excuse me. My body attacked the heat. So good. I'm not pretend good enough. Good. Nice. I love okra. I don't want too much okra in it. I just put the right amount. But don't worry. Let me show you how I make it. One thing with fufu, for me, it's very filling. It's like mashed potatoes, but a little bit more dense. But I do like it. It doesn't have any taste really. But when I boil mine, I add water. I add salt. Salt to the water for the flavor. You know, the bite at all. Take my phone now though. So good. For those of you that don't know, I'm not a big eater. It's small portion, but this was quite a bit. It went very fast. So good, y'all. My favorite. One bottle of ginger ale with 4 cubes of ice. Quiet. Yeah. So good. It was a short one. But spicy. Yeah. If you watch the video this far, thumbs it up. So yummy. Well, y'all, I'm gonna finish the rest of my ginger ale on a movie. It was so good. Y'all go ahead and post the recipe. Oh, excuse me. Oh, excuse me. Oh, excuse me. My body happy. But anyway, thank you guys for watching. It was really, really good. So yum. I'm gonna tell you something about come to talk, you know, come to eat. That's it, y'all. Thank you for watching. Thumbs up the video. Another mukbang will not be coming very soon because your girl not in touch. Just know that I love you guys. Thank you for loving me. Thank you for sticking around. Ginger ale nice. Thank you for my new subscribers. Once in a while, I could come and sit down in front of the camera so that my new subscribers could see. When I say my new goodies, y'all could see your girl without my hands, right? But that's it, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and edit this video. I love you so much, and I will talk to you. Let's just say I will see you later. Bye.